Alright folks, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing Toronto Comicon. This is a special occasion because we have multiple goals today. First of which is, well, we're getting Nesli a $100+ photo with one of her, was it like teenage crushes, Spike from Buffy. The old heads here will remember. And then we're gonna look around and hopefully find something for the studio as well. Quick fit check for Toronto Comicon. I got this to blend in, my little Thor figurine. And other than that, we got our badges ready, activated, we're good to go. Okay, your initial feelings about being in Toronto Comicon, go. Speeches. She almost cried thinking about she's gonna get that photo today in the elevator, and a couple of days back when I asked her if she really did want to spend $100+ for that photo, and she said yes, absolutely.
A few minutes in, and who do we see? James Marsters sitting behind the desk giving autographs. I was a bit annoyed thinking we paid all that money for something we could have gotten for free.
We've seen Spike, James, Masters there, and I figured we could just get in line and get the photo. And I felt a bit bad because we had already paid all that money, but turns out no, obviously the autographs are also paid.
With the photo op a few hours away, we started touring Comicon with the hopes of buying something cool for the studio.
Which one did you get?
I need to say that I did not expect to see so many talented artists selling some really impressive fan art.
Nesli is having a field day. She bought herself, her little office, some decorations. I'm still looking around. I'm still unsure. There's so much here, from figurines to posters to little lit up desk decorations, which I'm actually was hoping for. The search is still ongoing. This was not exactly what I had in mind, but I did finally do my first purchase. I bought this as a coffee table book. I couldn't resist because it was so original. It's nothing like I've ever seen before. Ain't that awesome? I've seen some that, do like one trick when you switch the page, but these are fully animated. It's like one of these Hogwarts newspapers.
As you can imagine, there were countless comics, from some of my favorite heroes to super obscure ones I had never heard about. And of course, some wonderful cosplayers that were super kind as they accepted to pose for the camera.
I love it. Finally bought my first studio decorations. After scrolling countless booths, finally got one. Still looking for a statement piece, but prices are pretty high. I had my eyes on a Star Wars helmet, but it ended up being $300, so still looking around. It's also getting very, very crowded in here.
One of the coolest activations this year was the Daredevil booth, where you could design your own print and get it on a t-shirt. So cool, even the princess from Mario was there. Thanks to this little droid, it didn't take me long to realize we were slowly getting closer to my favorite corner of the galaxy, the Star Wars booths. In just a few steps, we came across a booth selling the most realistic lightsabers I had ever seen in my life. And there were so many of them. And just as I was about to lose my mind, an unstoppable force stopped me.
And before you know it, it's go time. Nesli is super stressed about making it, while we still have about 25 minutes to get there. And it's only somewhere around 20-30 meters. It's just down the hall. It's just a bit crowded, but she's super stressed. Obviously, we're early. They're still trying to finish the photo ops for Karl Urban, which seems to take quite a long time. Are you excited?
Very.
Finally, in the overflow line. This is the first line of waiting, I guess. And all we keep hearing is, ready, next, while they try to finish Karl Urban. It is crazy. I didn't expect this much of a line, to be honest.
I didn't get to film Nesli as she got in for the photo, but look at how she came out.
I assume it went well.
I said I'm coming from Turkey, and he looked into my eyes and said, oh,
I guess it was worth all the money we paid for this.
What did he say to you? His voice was just literally as I was walking away. He said, "You look great," and I was like, "What?" Oh my god.
Well, he certainly knows the way into people's hearts, I guess.
Thank you.
Look how happy she looks. Look fucking balador. She still can't believe it. She's still yapping about it. His voice is that, his eyes are those. She still can't believe it. And while we're in line to leave that photo op section, girls in line were like talking to each other. Oh, what did he tell you? What did he say to you?
I had my doubts, but this photo really turned out to be worth it. With the photo operation a success, we had one last task at hand, finding something for the studio. And you guessed it, we went back to the Star Wars booths, lightsabers to be exact. I was mesmerized by these. They looked very real and would have been amazing on the studio wall. But then, I asked for the price. And turns out, after making fun of Nesli for spending $120 for a photo, I was on the cusp of buying a $600 lightsaber. I slowly and carefully put them back down, and with the crazy rain now over, we headed for the exit.
And we're finally out. It was a quite the walk inside, and especially since it was crowded. It took some time. Last impressions. What did you think about it?
It was amazing.
She really liked it because she got her photo with Spike. Her James Masters. Sorry. I wasn't able to find the accent piece for my studio. I wasn't able to find it, but I found some posters which I'll let editor Gökberk show you.
Right, come check out what I got.
For Toronto Comicon 2025. This is it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.